Activate Gladiator. Time now. Activate. What's up, YouTube? Another beautiful day. Heading to the gym. Heading to the Gladiator School. You know what time it is. It is go time. We're going to do it. We're going to get it. We're going to get up and we're going to go. Each and every day is a day for opportunity to not only improve the mind, not only improve the body, but also improve the spirit. The spirit is very important. Your energy has to be in congruence who's following on that journey of self-mastery and self-development. But for today's purposes, we're going to go to the gym and work on the physical body. I want to talk about survival of the fittest. This right here is for all my men. Let me turn this AC down. It's for all my men out there. Survival of the fittest. You know, we have to have this conversation about becoming your best self, self-mastery, some life advice. What we're going through right now is arguably a crisis that has us headed somewhere that we just really don't know the outcome. The men have to step up in times of uncertainty. So all my fellas out there, it's important as in any time in the past to protect your kingdom, to include your queen. Queens have to protect their kings. There's a congruence that we have to have under the order of the Creator, the Most High. It's bigger than fitness. I mean, think about it. You know anything about life, or at least yourself up to this point, if you're over the age of 21, then you should know that you get whatever it is that you put into your efforts. Just like schoolwork. If you don't study, you're going to get what you get based off of the energy and the dedication and consistency that you put into the schoolwork. If you want to get in shape and work on the physical vessel of your body, you're only going to get what you put into it. If you want to find love, companionship, if you want to make $1 million, I want to make $1 million. We have to find it within ourselves to just get out there and go after it. And it starts with like practicing something and getting good at it. We always talk about staying motivated. We're always talking about being disciplined. I will tell you guys this, the thing that you want to practice on is working on your kingdom, working on your body, working on your mind, working on those commandments, the spirit. Like I always say, gentlemen, the world is 50% physical and 50% spiritual. I see a lot of people is putting more of a priority on the physical part of the world, but we're slowly drifting away from the spiritual part of the equation. What is it going to take to get that part back? I mean, you don't have to be a churchgoer. I don't go to church. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with people going to church. I'm not saying that at all. I grew up going to church, in the church. But spirituality, the energy, the kinetic energy, the calling, the spirit that you get from within to just want to be great. Not only just about you, but just want to help the other person be great. And that person can help the next person to be great. And the next person can help the next person to be great. Until we have a whole kingdom, a whole population of people helping each other being great. Anything is possible under the sun. I got into this game right here because I just have a strong desire to just make it. I want to make the best out of this life. You only get one life. You only get one shot. Why not make the best out of it, baby? Why not live in your truth, look the best you could possibly be? You don't always have to be superficial, but look the best and be able to hang among the rest. At what point do we slip away from being intellectual or reading books or studying, being able to listen for long periods of time? At what point do we drift away from that? A lot of what social media got going on is like everything is more compressed, dumbed down. Nobody has the patience. I'm not knocking nobody. I struggle with patience myself. In fact, like one of the weaknesses that I will self-evaluate and can admit is that I don't have a lot of patience. That's something I struggle with, and that's something I've been working on. But as a society, we have to understand that we're doing ourselves a disservice when we normalize needing instant gratification. You know, because the brain is going to adapt to that, and it's going to have that as a form of expectation. We're going to expect instant gratification, and we're going to grow bored, we're going to grow complacent, and we're going to have short attention spans. And short attention spans is poison for growth. It can play negatively in your self-esteem. If it doesn't happen overnight, you start to look at yourself as being inadequate. We spend a lot of times on social media comparing ourselves to the next person, not knowing the hustle and the grit, blood, sweat, and tears that these people put in, man. Everybody's journey is different. We're all in the maze trying to chase the cheese. The way one guy gets his cheese is not guaranteed that you're going to get your cheese the same way.